Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Experian's business credit monitoring tools. Alright, so if you're wondering how to do that for Experian's business, this video is for you. I'm just going to give you a quick step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Experian account. Now you can log into your Experian account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on business credit monitoring. Now click on that, and that's going to help you. That's going to access the business credit monitoring tools. Next, you're going to set up alerts to notify you of changes to your business credit report, and you can also browse around and check out the other tools that are available and activate them if you need to use them. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Experian's business credit monitoring tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.